Most people assume failing at a budget means you're lazy or that you're just bad with money. The reality is that traditional budgeting is just exhausting. You are constantly staring at spreadsheets, tracking every dollar, cutting out small pleasures, and feeling a lingering sense of guilt every time you check your balance. Eventually, the daily friction becomes too heavy, and people simply drop the rock and walk away from their financial plans completely. But building wealth doesn't actually require daily motivation or ironclad discipline. In this video, we are going to build a completely automated, invisible system that quietly converts your ordinary income into long-term wealth without you ever having to think about it. By removing daily financial decision-making from the equation entirely, we can create a sustainable system that bypasses the traps of traditional budgeting. Step 1 is setting up micro-investing, which starts by activating the Roundup savings feature inside your primary banking app. The concept is straightforward. Whenever you make a standard daily purchase, like buying a morning coffee, the app adjusts the final charge. This diagram shows exactly how it works. If your coffee costs $3.40, the system automatically rounds the charge up to an even $4, capturing that extra 60 cents and moving it into a separate savings pile. The same thing happens across the rest of your day. You buy groceries for $12.20, it rounds up to $13 and grabs 80 cents. You grab takeout for $18.50, it rounds to $19 and secures another 50 cents. Because these amounts are so tiny, you don't even register them in the moment. This completely bypasses the psychological friction usually associated with putting money away. Manually logging in to transfer $100 out of your checking account feels like a sacrifice. Letting an app quietly save 50 cents 20 different times over the week feels completely effortless. Open your primary banking app, find the settings menu, locate the spare change feature, and turn it on. Capturing these invisible microtransactions generates hundreds of dollars in annual savings momentum, and you won't have to change a single lifestyle habit to achieve it. Step 2 moves up the chain to your employer, where you will adjust your direct deposit settings through your company's payroll portal or HR department. The goal here is to divert a set percentage of your income, say 10%, directly into a separate investment or high-yield savings account before it ever lands in your main spending account. This flowchart illustrates the split in action. From a $1,000 paycheck, $100 routes straight to your investment vault, leaving $900 to hit your standard checking account. This setup removes the friction of choice. You never feel the pain of losing that $100 because you never saw it land in your checking account in the first place. It plays on a very simple rule of wealth building. If the money never enters your primary account, you will never miss it. Humans adapt to their environment. Your brain will automatically adjust your spending habits to match that visibly lower balance without triggering any stress. To set this up, log into your payroll provider this week, add your investment account's routing number as a secondary destination, and allocate an automatic 10% transfer. Manipulating your own visibility of your funds like this entirely removes the need to exercise self-control when budgeting. Step 3 takes those passively accumulated savings from the first 2 steps and automates their growth in the market. You don't need hundreds of dollars to do this. Thanks to fractional shares, you can buy tiny $5 or $10 slices of larger investments. And rather than guessing on single stocks, you can buy index funds, which are simply baskets containing many different companies bundled together to lower your overall risk. Your task here is to open your brokerage app, select a broad market index fund, and configure a recurring monthly purchase. Once activated, this schedule buys into the market systematically, month after month, regardless of whether prices are up or down. Taking human emotion and market timing out of the equation allows compounding returns to do the heavy lifting for you, quietly running in the background. You now have a complete hands-off system. Microtransactions are captured daily, paychecks are split before you see them, and your funds are actively investing every month without any daily effort on your part. There is one final long-term adjustment you can make to massively accelerate this entire strategy. Every 6 months, log back into your payroll portal and increase your automation percentage by exactly 1%. This chart shows how those tiny, painless step-ups compound over a multi-year timeline, gradually steepening your wealth accumulation curve and substantially increasing the total balance you retire with. True wealth building rarely comes from a single giant breakthrough. It comes from sustainable, invisible systems operating consistently. If you want more practical, simplified financial strategies you can implement right away, subscribe to Finance Decoded MB. The wealthiest version of your future is determined by a single automated decision made today.